Abor Building Materials Kunshan Co., Ltd., located in Kunshan, the top county in China's top 100 economic counties, is committed to the research and promotion of cutting-edge technologies in the prefabricated construction industry. LOP is the acronym for Light Duty Precast, which means light precast. It is an innovative process suitable for intelligent construction of reinforced concrete buildings. The four main trades of the main structure of reinforced concrete buildings: reinforcement, formwork, insulation, and pumping and electrical have been upgraded from traditional manual on-site operations to robotic operations in factories. Representing an industrial upgrade in the construction sector, LP components integrate reinforcement, insulation, formwork, and plumbing and electrical elements. Since these components do not contain concrete, they are highly efficient and convenient during transportation, hoisting, and installation with low costs. On-site installation process for the components are 4.2 meters high. The LP components are installed on-site and connected and fixed with diagonal supports. The connection formwork between LP wall components is installed on-site. By simply hammering the steel mesh formwork grids into the internal slots with a rubber hammer, the components can be fixed. This method ensures fast construction efficiency and controllable quality. Adopting the LP system can save 70% to 80% of the labor required for the main structure, while reducing material waste by 10%. The construction site is clean and tidy. The current display is a real scene of an 18-story affordable housing project, where the main structure is made of LP components. After the LP floor slabs are hoisted into place, the plumbing and electrical conduit connections are constructed. The floor slabs and walls are cast in one go. The non-demountable composite formwork used in the LP system has two major features. First, it is a visual formwork that allows direct observation of whether there are any voids in the concrete within the components. When voids are detected, the vibrator can be moved to the corresponding position and vibrated slightly for 5 to 10 seconds. Second, it is a filtration formwork that drains free water, which does not participate in the hydration reaction from the concrete through the mesh holes, thereby enhancing the layer strength of the concrete and improving the waterproofing and crack resistance of the main structure. After the LP system is cast, the surface of the components is rough, which enhances the bonding strength between the structure and the decoration and reduces the need for roughening processes. According to the test report from the National Key Laboratory of Tongji University, buildings using LP technology have increased their seismic resistance by 30% under the same reinforcement quantity and concrete grade. This is because the reinforcement in the reinforced concrete structure has been upgraded from manual binding to robotic welding, with the strength of each node increased by several tens of times. Moreover, the steel mesh on both sides of the structure remains in place to form a spatial framework, further enhancing the structural safety reserve. Meanwhile, the insulation is mechanically fixed to the structure, forming an integrated insulation structure system with the same lifespan as the building. LP technology has a high market acceptance. Since its launch, it has been piloted in more than 200 projects in more than 10 villages in Kunshan, including Jingxi Town, Zhangpu Town, and Dianshanhu Town, following the strategy of surrounding cities from the countryside. It has become a key promoted technology for beautiful rural construction in Jiangsu Province. In 2022, the company was awarded the title of Outstanding Contribution Unit to Architectural Industrialization in Jiangsu Province by the Jiangsu Provincial Promotion Association for Building Industry Modernization. It has also been applied in projects in Shanghai, Zhejiang, Xinjiang, Sichuan, etc., with standards and drawing collections compiled to overcome application barriers. The LP Intelligent Chain Factory upgrades construction projects from manual on-site operations to standardized factory processes. Because the processes are standardized, all operations can be automated by robots, replacing manual labor. AI technology is deeply integrated into every manufacturing link, with each standard process compiled into an AI workflow and integrated into an AI engineering project entity. After receiving a project, the AI can automatically disassemble the project components, form data packages, and the AI manufacturing center can automatically direct each robot to work. This creates an unmanned workshop offline and an online AI large model driving the project process data flow, making the construction of the main structure of buildings as efficient as manufacturing mobile phones. Construction is a pillar industry for the national economy and people's livelihoods in countries around the world. With a huge market size, governments of countries around the world have a strong demand for upgrading their own industries, and sovereign investment funds of various countries seek opportunities for industrial upgrading through investment. The LP Intelligent Chain Factory is a carrier for the application of standards, patented technologies, intelligent equipment, and digital systems, realizing technology output plus capital linkage plus localized operation to promote the global construction industry's transformation and upgrading, ensuring construction safety with the power of technology, and achieving green manufacturing and sustainable development.